Straight down the rubbish chute.
Oh my God!
Search everywhere. Have a good rubbish around. Look everywhere possible. In the trap. In the water. Anywhere. You're up against the clock, remember, Georgia. You need to move quickly. See anywhere, guys? Those walls are closing in, remember. Try looking in the food. Look everywhere possible. How about pulling those bottles out? Tell her, guys. In the bowl. Come on, Georgia. We need a key. There's one, finally. She's going to need a few in there though before that key is within reach. Keep her updated on the time, guys. You're halfway through. You've got time.
Come on. Do it.
Come on, Georgia. She doesn't have that long left. Come on, Georgia. Those walls are closing in on her and the time is ticking. Check them side. So far, she's only managed to find one red bottle.
I've got another one!
You've got another one! Come on! Try the trap! Time is ticking! She's going to have to get out soon. Last one! What about the traps on the other side, Georgia? Try the other side, try the other one. Get her out. We're going to have to get her out. We're going to have to get her out! Get her out! Come on, Georgia! Time, get out! Oh, how you down? Bad luck! What happened?
I just couldn't find them anywhere.
Well, shall we have a look back at you in action?
It looks very, very disgusting, and the smell coming out of there as well was horrible. There were so many bottles, I couldn't see any of the red bottles that I actually needed to get the key. Unfortunately, she didn't manage to find all of them, but she got two, so she did well.